Biotechnology is the ultimate team sport. It requires a whole host of characters with lots of experiences and expertise. Radically new technologies are being developed that can dramatically transform outcomes in patients. And that's very much at the heart of what we're doing at MiNA. I'm Robert Habib. I'm the Chief Executive of MiNA Therapeutics. What we're doing is leading the development of one new class of RNA medicines called RNA activation. Our technology gives us the ability to switch on any gene in the genome and treat hundreds, if not thousands, of different diseases. Curative medicines have the potential to eradicate disease in patients. We're developing medicines for diseases that have not been treated to date.
There are about 30 to 35 companies that are focused on turning off RNA. What's unique about MiNA Therapeutics is that it's using RNA to turn on protein production. They are one of only 2 companies that do this, and they're the only company in the clinic. My first month as an intern on the clinical wards was on the liver ward. And I remember in 2005, when a medication called sorafenib first put out its phase 3 results, it helped people live 2 months longer. Now that may not seem like a lot, but at the time, it was the only thing we had for liver cancer. The tumors didn't shrink, people just lived longer. Along comes MiNA, and suddenly they're getting cured. The first 5 patients that were treated with sorafenib after they got MiNA's protein, 3 of those patients had a complete response. Their tumors disappeared.
There are a lot of investors out there that will follow others, follow the crowd, where trends can come and go. aMoon will look at things at face value and come to their own conclusion, rather than asking around to see what everyone else thinks about an idea. From the moment that Gore arrived, it was very clear he completely understood our technology and wanted to focus on specific areas that he thought were key risk factors in our business.
I see Robert as somebody who will change the world. Oftentimes, these startups get run by people coming out of a lab who, while they understand the science, probably couldn't tell the story. But he's a phenomenal storyteller. He has been able to take this company to places that I never thought it would go.
We took a drug from conception. We discovered our first drug, took it through animal testing, into phase 1, and today we're in phase 2. We've raised more than $100 million of funding, both from financial investors as well as from pharmaceutical partners. We've also expanded our pipeline. We now have a target of advancing 10 drugs into clinical trials over the next few years.
Personalized medicine at the gene level is one of the areas that's going to be very important in healthcare. There are 25,000 genes, and if they can affect one, if they can repeat it and affect 2, MiNA has 25,000 opportunities to affect disease.
We're in a golden age of the biotechnology industry. The rate of innovation, of discovery of fundamental biological processes is at a level never seen before in human history. We've never been more excited as we look ahead to those future drugs in our pipeline.